All right, welcome to section 4 where we're going to talk about the overview of what we're going to be learning throughout this section. So in the upcoming videos, we're going to talk about the following. We're going to cover the history of CSS. We'll talk about what is CSS3 and what is CSS itself. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk briefly about the history of CSS. So there's really 4 versions right now, currently in CSS. You have CSS1, or just CSS. Then you have CSS2, CSS 2.1, and then the current version, which is CSS3. Okay, so that's really the history of CSS. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is CSS. So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, and other media. CSS saves a lot of work if you can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. External style sheets are stored in CSS files. So that is what CSS is. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is CSS3. So CSS3 is the latest evolution of the Cascading Style Sheets language and aims at extending CSS 2.1. It brings a lot of new features and additions like rounded corners, shadows, gradients, transitions, or animations, as well as new layouts like multi-columns, flexible box, and grid layouts. So that is what CSS3 is. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Like, share, and subscribe if you're interested to continue with this course.